to 10 volts. So you find that the collector current is not changing, so that means the BJT is off because we have not given any voltage at the gate. So now I will set the collector voltage here to 10 volts, and we will have an observation that even though it is now at 10 volts, let us fix it. So even though it is at 10 volt, so we have the collector current here is 0. So now what is our objective is to increase the value of the base voltage. We will increase the base voltage and see the base current over here and see the collector current over here. So I have taken the observation already, some of the observations. So here let us increase the base voltage. So please focus over here. This is the base current and this is the collector current. Our also objective is to measure the voltage between the base and emitter. So can we focus here? So this voltage we will going to measure the base and emitter. So we have connected this positive to the base and negative to the emitter. So now this voltmeter will measure the base. If I am increasing the base voltage, there should be a change in the base current. See that it is 0.1. That is in microamperes. So I am increasing the base voltage, and there is no change in the base emitter voltage. It is still 0. So let me increase it to some value so that there is some appreciable change in the collector current. So still this is the base current here. Can you show it here? This is a base current. It is 4.7. So keep focus on this one only, 4.7. Now you can see there the collector current is now changing to 0.001. So be focus on here 0.001, and I will show you the base emitter voltage. The base emitter voltage, now it is showing because we have changed the scale from 20 to 2, it is 0.63. So let me just reverse back because the base emitter voltage will increase. So because we have put it at 20, that is why we are not able to see. Now we have taken the base voltage as 0 and we can see that it is 0.08. Just focus on this one. This one, focus on this one. Now I will increase the base voltage. You can see that the base emitter voltage is now 0.16. Again increase the base voltage, it is 0.272. Again increase the base voltage, you can get 0.4. This is very rapid. And again increase the base voltage, it is 0.49. Again increasing the base voltage, 0.57. And now after it becomes like 0.62, I am getting a change in the collector current, 0.001. So I will little bit of quickly I will go for increasing the base voltage. So even though I am increasing, you can see that here, even though I am increasing the base voltage, the base emitter voltage is not changing. It is still 0.664. See, I am increasing the base voltage, the base current is increasing, 41.4. Base current is increasing, but base emitter voltage is not changing. At the same time, the collector current is changing. From 1 milliampere, it is now 9 milliamperes. So we observe that the collector current increases